guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi using this gorgeous Get Your Scare On kit from Winterfield Studios. Take a look at this kit. Look at the colors. It's so fun. There's all the functionals that go with it. A little bit of deco. So let's go ahead and get started. So we'll start with the bottom washi. It's always so pretty, the bottom washi. Lana does a great job. They're all hand-drawn, her kits. And so they're always fun to lay out. They do a complete spread with one kit. You wouldn't lack for any stickers. So let's get this down and see if I can get it straight. So Halloween is fast approaching. This is my first Halloween kit. Next week I'll be using another one. And then that's it, just the 2 Halloween kits for this year in Hobonichi anyway. And then another couple in my recollections planner. So I don't know what else to say today. It's going to be a quiet, I don't have too much to chat about except for what stickers I'm putting down. I will tell you that I'm a PR for Winterfield Studios. If you use my code Jody, you'll get 20% off in the shop and you'll get my freebie that comes along with it. So now I'm putting down the top washi. Lana always uses 2 pieces, the top and the bottom. Some kits I know don't have it, but hers do. So it always completes the spread nicely. Lana will be in the upcoming Made in Canada sale, and the shop will be 30% off, so you'll have to keep your eyes open for that. So I'm going to be shutting down this habit tracker. I use this for tracking my meals. You'll see me use them every week. Sometimes I use these, and sometimes I use boxes, whatever comes with a kit. So put this right here. Try and get it straight. You know me, I always struggle with getting things straight. The good thing about these kits is it always comes with a ton of habit trackers as well. I think there's 5 of them in the kit, and I'm only going to be using 4 this time around. I find 5 is too many. I don't have that much stuff to track, so I'll just put the 4 in this time. Track my vitamins, my medication, my water hydration, and my spending. I use this planner a lot for my healthcare. So I also use on the right-hand side of the page, I track my weather as well, because I find that affects my moods. And I think it does for everybody, especially when there's a change of weather. And it's getting cold here in Canada. I don't know if it is where you are. And it's definitely feeling like fall now. It was a quick change. It went from warm to cold. And I can't say cold, so it's still in the plus temperatures, but it's, you know, in the 60s now instead of in the 70s and 80s, so it's a little chilly. And the leaves are falling, so it always looks so pretty at this time of the year. So this is the last one I'm putting in. I forgot to put up the date strips, so I guess I'll go ahead and put that down now. It's I usually do that before I do the sidebar stuff. So let me get it off the sheet. Hopefully I don't rip it. I'm struggling to get this straight this time. For the life of me, I can't get it to stay in one spot. It keeps shifting around on me. I've never had a problem putting a date cover down like I did today. But I finally get it. And it goes down great. The fun thing about this kit is it has 8 full boxes. So lots of fun stuff to put in your planner. Really full spread from them. Lana always does such a good job with them. They're always fun to put down. So let's start on the one side of the column. I do stagger them. So we'll do this on the right-hand side, and then I move over to the left-hand side close to the date cover, and I do that all the way down the week, back and forth. I'm just going to go in the order that they are when on the sheet. Excuse me, I've got a bit of a frog in my throat this morning. I've been having lots of coffee. It's quiet here. It's overcast. So I'm just inside, staying cozy. I filmed this yesterday. I did 2 plan with me's yesterday, so I've started adding a memory plan to the channel so that you can see my spreads all filled out, because when I pre-plan they look pretty empty. So I like to show you what I get up to during the week. So this planner I won't do that with, because once I lay these down, then I'll start doing my plans for the week. I'll just start writing them out. It's more of my day-to-day kind of a planner, where I mark appointments and what I need to do during the week, anything that's coming up in the next week that I need to mark and make notations of. So this is kind of like, it sits beside me, and I make any notes that I need to make for the week. I put them in the back of this, because it's a mega, which means there's a lot of note pages in the back, which comes in handy. So I got places to journal and whatnot. So this looks so pretty already. Now I'm going to put the check marks in, check flags. These are nice because it gives you 4 hearts to make notes. So some of them only have 3, but this one has 4, which is really nice because you can put more in the day. But so I hope you've all had a nice weekend. On Monday I'm going to be going to, well, tomorrow, because today's Sunday, I'm going to be going to get some corn. So we'll be running around in the cornfields, and they should be good and mucky because it's going to rain today. So I get, my friend uses the corn stalks for decorating for Halloween, and I take the corn itself and use it to supplement my bird feeders for in the winter. Keeps the bird happy and gives them more food to eat, something substantial instead of just the seeds. And then we're going to be going to a pumpkin patch, which is the first time I've done that in a long time. Pick up some pumpkins to put outside and scare the little kids. It'll be fun to carve them because, like I said, I haven't done that for a while. We've been laying pretty low with the Halloween because my youngest dog, she's a nervous dog and she gets afraid when people come to the door. So I kind of just put a bowl of candy out for the kids and let them pick it up. This is last week. That was a kit from Simply Beautiful Plans. I was just checking what date the week is starting on. So it's the 13th. This weekend is my Planner Girls United sale. It starts Friday. Lots of good shops. It's a smaller sale this time around. There's just 15 shops in it. But there are a lot of good shops, and they've got some really fun items in the shops, some nice stickers, and some planner clips and accessories, and really great discounts. The shops are really coming up with it this time. So if you want to see where the shops are, there's a link down below that takes you to either my Instagram page or the Facebook group, where you can see all of the shops and see what they have to offer, and the freebies from their teams. So you should check that out. So I'm marking now, I'm going to put a box on Friday. That's the day the sale starts. I always like to mark that in the planner. It ends Sunday. I just do a 3-day sale. So let's put the functionals in now. These ones are for Winterfield Studios, and it's in silver. I've chosen silver, and they are the grocery script. So I always do groceries on Thursday. You all know that if you watch my videos regularly. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining us. This is from Winterfield Studios as well. It's a coffee cup, and once again, these are all hand-drawn. Lana hand draws most of these things in her shop, and I think they're really pretty. They're one of my favorite coffee stickers. So I do need to go to the post office on Monday. I need to check to see if some planner supplies from different shops for the sale have come in, because I'll be filming spotlights for those shops this week. So I'll get that in the planner. And Friday is garbage day, so I'm putting a garbage can, and once again, this is from Winterfield Studios from her cleaning sheet. And I'm also going to use my last washing machine from the sheet. I'll need to order more. Sundays I do laundry. And now I'm going to put in one of these books, open books, and it's from Winterfield Studios. I need to return library books on Monday. So I'm finished reading them. I'm going to be picking up some this week as well. I think it's Thursday that I'm going to be picking them up. I'm not sure if I don't mark it. Tuesday I'm putting a laptop or a computer from Winterfield Studios. I'm going to be starting my shop spotlights that day and getting them up on the channel. This is a telephone from Winterfield Studios. Again, it's hand-drawn. Sundays I call my mom. So you can see a theme here. I'm using pretty much all Winterfield Studios except this sticker, the Instagram sticker from the Prairie Planner, because I'm going to be filming on Sunday for my Plan With Me. So let's use some of this deco. It's really cute. I like to make a little scene with it. Put this haunted house down. I put some ghosts in. They're so cute. They're fun flying around. It's really hard to see, but look at these cute little spiders dangling from their web. I'm going to hang one from the habit trackers. Look how cute that is. And then I'm going to put one again where the theme box is. So cute. And put one more sticker in. I'm going to put in two. We'll put in a pumpkin because it's Halloween. And then I'm going to put in a bat. How fun is this spread? Look how cute it is. I think it's one of my favorite for the fall. I'm loving it. It's so adorable. So you can get this again from Winterfield Studios. It's still in the shop. If you don't have it this year, you can use it for next year. So anyways, thank you for joining me. Thank you for checking out my channel and being part of my community. And please make a moment to subscribe and to like my video because it helps my channel. Maybe hit the notification bell as well.